Hope, another day, another vlog. Nandito tayo sa Cafe Cecilia with Nikolai and Mom. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, we're here in Casa Cecilia. Nikolai.
Cafe.
Ay, cafe. There is Cafe Cecilia in Panay Rizal. Ooh. Pasko na sila. Ito yung coffee shop nila. Open till 8 p.m. Marami silang Oy. Diego. Nice. Steak. Cheers! Dito tayo sa overlooking swimming pool. Maraming kape, may cabin, and ayun nga tayong campground. Ganda ng mountains.
Doon sa may corner.
Ito pa yung mga cabin nila. Dami. Wala pa silang family cabin dun sa likod. Hey Nikolai, where are we going, Nikolai?
Slide.
Hey, let's go. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Like everything.
We're gonna ride the slide. Ayun sila sa taas. Hi! Yes, they have volleyball and badminton.
Ito. Ito is one to this one. Good for. Oh, ano yun?